Sixth is, I am inclined to agree with the statement for several reasons. Now, this statement is different from others because this statement is showing a pathway for which you will write reasons as well. And you don't want that because if you do that, the reader is going to cut your band scores. Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss how to agree and disagree in the IELTS writing task 2. I have seen students get confused on what to write in a statement, whether to agree or disagree. Firstly, whenever the question comes, do you agree or disagree? You have to completely agree or completely disagree. Don't do in between. I agree to some parts, I disagree with the other parts. Don't do that. Either you agree with the statement or you disagree with the statement. So, for example, here, beside a lot of advantages, some people believe that the internet creates many problems. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the statement? So, in this question, you either agree with the statement or you either disagree with the statement. So, how do you agree or disagree? You can say, I completely agree with the statement, I completely disagree with the statement, I vehemently agree with the statement, I vehemently disagree with the statement. Don't say I partially agree with the statement or I partially disagree with the statement. Okay? Because what that does, it creates confusion for whom? For the reader. And you don't want that because if you do that, the reader is going to cut your band scores. So we will see on what to write in case of how you should agree and in case of how you should disagree. So let's look at the first statement we can write. I completely agree with the statement. You can completely agree with the statement. I completely disagree with the statement. If you do not like the statement, you can disagree with the statement. I strongly agree with the notion. If you agree with the statement, you can write it as I strongly agree with the notion. If you do not like the statement, you can say I disagree with the notion. Okay, I strongly disagree with the notion. The third way is I concur with the opinion. Okay, you can, if you do not like the opinion, you can say I do not concur with the opinion. And the fourth is, in my firm belief, the statement is accurate because. You can also say, in my firm belief, I do not agree with the statement or the statement is inaccurate. Okay. So this is how you can completely agree or disagree. The fifth way is, I vehemently agree with the statement. Vehemently means strongly. You strongly agree with the statement. You can also say, I vehemently disagree with the statement. You strongly disagree with the statement. Sixth is, I am inclined to agree with the statement for several reasons. Now, this statement is different from others because this statement is showing a pathway for which you will write reasons as well. It's showing a path to the reader that the writer will write reasons also. Okay. You can also say I am inclined to disagree with the statement for following reasons. Okay. Seventh and the last one is I am in agreement with the statement for the following reasons. Again, this is showing the path to the reader that the writer will write reasons in the following statements or in the next statement. Okay. You can also say I am in disagreement with the statement for the following reasons. So these are the 7 ways whereby you can agree or disagree with the statement or with the question. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please share it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button